The very best 10K per month side hustle to have right now is something that you probably haven't heard of. If you see most ads in this newsfeed, they will tell you to do things like sell other people's products, be a coach, be a copywriter, start selling stuff on Shopify, be a drop shipper. And all these ideas are like, meh, it's okay. If you really want to do them, I suppose they're just super duper expensive because it can take a while to work. So the thing that you might not have heard of is being an ads manager. And it's a relatively unknown skill because it is mainly behind the scenes. You're working for other companies to create their ads, run their ads, and each client typically gets at least $2,000 per month. So as you can imagine, to meet that 10K per month, you only need 5 clients. An ads manager has become more in demand because most companies these days are running ads on social platforms just like this. Long gone are the days where they do billboards, newspapers, all that kind of stuff. So it's led to the birth of a real industry and a real skill. If you want to learn more about this amazing side hustle, I've got a link in my bio with a free training. Take a look, watch it, and let me know what you think.